Sagutin mo na ako ngayon. Naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violations nangyari in the past administration?
Mayroon, sir.
Meron.
Meron.
Okay, good. Salamat.
Yes, sir.
Oo.
Colonel Espinido, have we met? You remember, nung na-involve ka sa isang incidente na may namatay dun sa Region 8, I called you up. Diba? I called you up. Sabi ko, baka darating araw, baka masingil ka sa ginagawa mo.
Now, ang next hearing po natin, iimbitahan natin the former President Duterte on this hearing. Oh, nagkaroon na ng agreement ang members ng committee. Iimbitahan natin si Senator Boto de la Rosa kung papayag ang Senado na siya mag-appear dito. Not because he is a senator, but because during that time, he was the Director General of the Philippine National Police. Ako naniniwala ako, when you speak of interparliamentary courtesy, pwede silang hindi pumunta when it comes to the fact na iniimbestigahan natin na pagiging senador nila. But we are investigating the past. Naging Director General siya ng Philippine National Police. Oh, accountability pinag-uusapan dito. Command responsibility pinag-uusapan dito. Hindi lang yan. Iimbitahan din natin si dating Senador Laila De Lima to shed light on this because she knows a lot of things. Oo. Yan ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Alright. Now, meron tayo ditong mga other PNP personnel. We have invited Colonel Joby Espinido. We have already made a motion to issue a show cause order on them. And we have... Andito siya. Andiyan pala. Si Joby Espinido. Alright. Oh. Dapat kayo na pa namin tinanong. Alright. Tahimik ka lang dyan eh. Alright. Oh. We have Reynanto Medina. Where is Reynanto Medina? Alright. Can you show yourself here in front? Are you still assigned in Davao?
Yes.
Are you still in Davao? Nakakita ko, Davao dyan eh. Oh. Pinagmamalaki mo ang pagiging Davaoenyo? Pinagmamalaki mo? Oh. Pinagmamalaki niya. Alright. Lieutenant Colonel Ronald Lau. Andito siya, di ba? Andyan. So, so we have received a spot report on the Murillo case. Ngayon lang. Meron pala eh. Medyo.
Your Honor, nagkamali. Akala ko po after activity report.
Okay, tamo. Nagkamali ka na naman. Oh. Ay, goodness naman, oh. Okay. Colonel Espinido, ako, kilala mo ako, di ba? Oh, you would even give me messages on the scriptures. Oh, I know where you're coming from. All right. Involved in the war on drugs. Am I right? Colonel Espinido? Okay. So what do you think of what's happening now? Comparing it to the past administration. You are now a director or a commander or what?
No, sir.
Where are you assigned?
Police Regional Office 8, sir.
Where?
Personnel.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I would like you to make a statement now. What do you think now? Do you think that there are really human rights violations in the past administration or not?
Good afternoon to everyone, sir. And for me, very appreciated naman, sir, ang committee na to because napapakita lang natin sa lahat na may batas. But,
yeah, sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko before you appreciate this committee.
talk about, sir, sa...
Kilala mo naman ako, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oo. And I'm not going to belabor my time in this committee if I do not believe in this advocacy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, you say you're a Christian.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You always give me verses. Binanong niya ako. Sabi do. Ah? Hindi, sabi niya, kailan ka raw naging Kristiyano?
Matagal since, sir.
Matagal na raw. Oh, kailan?
Ang pagkakilala naman sa Panginoon, sir, since nagkataon na nakakilala ko ang Panginoon, sir, ng pagka...
When did you receive the Lord into your heart? When was that?
I think, kuan, sir, mga first grade 2 or grade 3.
Therefore, you're not going to lie in this committee. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violation nangyari in the past administration?
Yes, sir. I am a law enforcer, sir. I'm not really see or to hear na magdesisyon ako kung mayroon o wala, sir.
I'm
But,
not asking you to make a decision. I'm asking you kung naniniwala ka mayroong human rights violations dito.
As far as yung narinig naman natin, sir.
You're a believer of the Lord Jesus and then you're going to lie to me?
No.
Abay, wala na akong panitawala sa iyo. Huwag ka na mag-text sa akin ng Bible verses.
No, sir. No. Hindi naman sa ganun, sir.
Sabihin mo, sagutin mo ako, Colonel.
There must be, sir. There must be.
So because bago ito believe ako sa iyo. Okay? Sagutin mo na ako ngayon. Naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violations nangyari in the past administration?
Mayroon, sir.
Meron.
Meron.
Okay, good. Salamat.
Yes, sir.
Oo.
Colonel Espinido, have we met?
Yes, sir.
When?
Hindi ko na ma-recall, sir.
You remember, nung na-involve ka sa isang insidente na may namatay doon sa Region 8,
Yes, sir.
I called you up. Diba? I called you up. Sabi ko, baka darating araw, baka masingil ka sa ginagawa mo. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Baka darating yung araw na yun.
Yes, sir.
Yep. I reminded you that. I called you up. Diba?
Yes, sir.
But you went on with your activities. Tama?
None, sir.
Intindihin mo yung sinabi ko. You went on with your activities. Hindi, wala naman akong sinabi na illegal na activity. I did not qualify that. You went on with your activities. Kasi darating tayo doon sa banda roon eh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Kayo naman, taga Davao, nasaan na kayo ngayon? Assign.
Davao Norte Police Provincial Office, Your Honor.
PO3 ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi si SPO2 Pinheiro ang sumasagot? Dahil siya, sa tingin mo, siya ang most ranking sa inyo eh.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Carmen Municipal Police Station, Your Honor, Davao del Norte.
Were you ever assigned in Metro Manila?
I remember, Your Honor, in 2016, Your Honor, from Pro 11 to NCR, Your Honor.
So, ibig sabihin, from PRO 11 in Mindanao, you were reassigned to Metropolitan Manila. Specifically, anong lugar? Anong unit?
Dito, Your Honor, sa Batasan, Your Honor.
Quezon City.
Quezon City, Your Honor.
Quezon City. Lahat po kayo?
Kasama ko, Your Honor, lahat kami, Your Honor.
Now, how many were you PNCOs that were transferred from Region 11 to NCR?
I remember, Your Honor, 8 of us, Your Honor.
8.
8, Your Honor.
And your team leader was Colonel Patay.
My superior, Your Honor.
Major?
My superior.
Yes, kaya nga siya ang boss ninyo. Kasama niyo siya na-transfer from Mindanao or Region 11 to NCR.
Hindi naman, Your Honor. Bali, nauna sa Your Honor bago kami.
Kaya nga, sumunod kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, nauna siya dito sa Quezon City, sumunod po kayo.
Yes, Your Honor, kasi na-orderan kami, Your Honor.
Naintindihan ko naman yun. Kailan kayo nabalik sa Region 11?
Ako, Your Honor, after Quezon City, Your Honor, na-assign ako ng CIDG headquarters, and then
Who was
Yun
your
nga.
boss sa CIDG?
na-shoot ako ng order na napunta ng Region 3, Your Honor, na
Hindi nga.
Sir Patay
Hindi
yung
mo naman ako sinasagot eh.
Sir Patay, Your Honor.
Sa
Sa
CIDG.
pagdating na namin sa Region 3, Your Honor.
Hindi, teka. From Quezon City, na destino ka ng CIDG
Headquarters, Your Honor.
sa Camp Crame.
Yes, Your Honor. Yun ang order namin, Your Honor.
Yes. Sino ang kasama mong na-assign doon?
Hindi kami sumabay, Your Honor. Siya yung nauna.
Sino?
Yung mga kasama ko, Your Honor.
Sino sila?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nauna sila. Sino ang opisyal na kasama nila na transfer sa CIDG?
During the time, Your Honor, halos nauna lang siya, Your Honor, sa amin.
Sino?
Sir Patay, Your Honor.
So, na-assign din pala sa CIDG.
Yes, Your Honor.
As what?
Regional Director, Your Honor, ng Region 3, Your Honor.
Ginawa siyang Regional Director ng Region 3.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, sumunod din kayo sa CIDG Region 3.
Pagdating namin ng headquarters, Your Honor, may order naman na punta naman kami ng Region 3, Your Honor.
Yeah, hindi naman kayo makakapunta roon na walang orders eh. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, lahat din kayo, 8, doon din.
Ay, nadagdagan na kami, Your Honor.
Ilan ang nadagdag?
Hindi ko na alam, Your Honor, nakalimutan ko na basta may
Nadagdag sa inyo pero hindi nyo kasama sa Davao.
Parang hindi na yata, Your Honor.
Ganun ba?
Parang
Kaya
na
hindi
yata.
mo kilala dahil ang nadagdag, hindi nyo ka nakasama sa Region 11.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yung iba, Your Honor.
You agree with him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, kailan kayo nabalik sa Davao?
Pagkatapos ng sa IDG, Your Honor, na-assign po ako, na-orderan po ako ng Maritime Group, Your Honor, na dito sa Krami.
Sabay-sabay kayo?
Hindi, Your Honor. Iba rin lang yung assignment nila, Your Honor.
Ikaw, saan ka na-assign?
After sa ADG, Your Honor, na lipat po ako sa, Your Honor, sa PSPG, Your Honor.
Police Security
Yes.
Protection Group.
Yes, Your Honor.
Si Maderable.
PSPG din ako, Your Honor.
Ha?
PSPG din ako.
PSPG. So, na-assign kayo sa PSPG. Sino po ang naka-assign na ninyo na VIP?
Wala pa akong VIP time, Your Honor.
So, doon lang kayo sa headquarters ng PSPG.
Yes, Your sa ano, Your Honor, Davao, Your Honor.
Sa Region 11 PSPG.
Yes, Your Honor. Pero dito muna sa headquarters, Your Honor.
Yeah. I know. So, nabalik din pala kayo, nabuwag din pala. Because I remember a report, I do not know from kay Attorney Neri or kay Attorney Conti. Ang basa ko doon na there were 10 special teams. Yun ang composed of 15 personnel. Pero ngayon ito, 8. Yun po yung kwan. Thank you, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair.